What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Karen. So today we are going to be doing hair today on my mom in box braids. So my mom combed her hair already thoroughly, so I started by sectioning the hair into two first before actually cutting the parts out. You will see what I'm talking about. Since it was a medium box braid that we're doing, any medium at all, I usually do like 4 on each side. So to the front together is supposed to be like 8 rows to the front and 3 to the back for the medium. I already started cutting out the back, but then I had to adjust it because it never really matched, and it has to like match for it to like look good, or it has to align basically. This next step, I started parting out the back. I did 3 plaits to the back since again it's medium we're dealing with, and I just sectioned each of the 3 parts already outlined for me to just go ahead and put in the braids when I am ready to do so. Y'all, I'm so sorry that y'all cannot really see. I guess I did not really position the camera very well. Oh my god. Okay, so we started kind of early. I cannot really remember the exact time that we started, but we did finish early too. And I was so happy because normally I just started braiding and I'm not that fast at braiding, even though it's like medium size and whatever. So the fact that I literally finished it before, let's say 5, I was so proud of myself. The next clip is showing, I'm showing you all how I sorted out the braids, because I had a rack, but unfortunately it is no longer with me, so I have to look for an alternative motive, and my mom is just there browsing through Facebook and not even helping me. All jokes, y'all, but yeah, that's what I do if I don't have like the braiding rack. Just put it somewhere for me to like easily pick up the braids and add in and whatever. The fact that I'm over here hungry and this woman is literally eating in front of me, like, I ain't hungry too.
Got kick.
So this is how the hair was looking after plaiting almost all of it. In all honesty, I was not really feeling it. Why? Because I thought I would have done better, especially with the parting of the hair. We're almost done plaiting the hair. It was like 1:25 right now, and mother sent me to go and take yogurt from the fridge rather, but since she sent me, I had to do the honors of licking it first because she removed me from my work. Then I gave it to her, but after that she was so kind enough to feed me while I was doing her hair, because I was so hungry. I had never eaten anything. Don't mind me doing whatever I'm doing there. I'm not sure if it's dancing or it's just moving my body, but okay.
Got kick.
We're finally on the last one. I couldn't be more happy, y'all. Listen, I'm tired. Please do bear with me. I'm not too familiar with the position of the camera, so y'all should bear with me. I'll try as much as I can to position it better for future videos. Okay, I'm still new to this. Y'all should bear with me, please. I beg. Are you guys seeing the way my mom is putting her face? Like, it's tight. It ain't that tight. And plus, if it ain't tight, it ain't right. Okay, y'all heard it here first. So, I've just shown you all how I did basically the whole hair by just showing the last piece of hair left back. So I started by picking it, and I used gel to like smooth out the hair. And at one point, you see me picking out the comb tool to like comb it and put it behind the braid, because you want to tuck it, whether it's black or it's matching the color of the braid. You always want to tuck it so it looks clean and proper. And if you look closely, the hair, it kind of is the same color as the braid, but nevertheless it's not an excuse. That's what my teacher told me, or she taught me. So you have to tuck it all through as much as you can. Although I never really tuck all the hair, because you can literally see some like pieces sticking out, but I tried as much as I could to tuck everything. After you finish doing the hair, you want to lay the edges. Even if there are no edges, you kind of brush the hair back for it to look clean and neat. Okay, and there I was just like completing the ends that were not really completed. But after this, you have to trim the hair. I don't think I got a video of that because my phone battery died. So I basically trimmed the hair after this for like any flying hair, and at the next clip is me dipping it in water, and you can see my mother is feeling herself and smiling. After that, I sectioned the hair into 3 as I was taught. Depending on the size, you can do into 4 and dip it in water. Then I applied mousse to the hair and also oil the scalp, because it's very essential. Okay, you have to have it shining and glowing, and that was it. As you can see her spinning, the sun is glowing on her hair and her face, period. She is slaying as she should. Okay, so we have come to the end of the video. Her hair is nice and laid. Do you like the hair?
I love it.
I love it.
I love the hair. It's so beautiful.
I really hope she enjoys the hair and it stays for long. Although there's literally no hair here, but who cares? Who cares? So if you stick this far to the video, make sure
you like, comment, share, and also do not forget to subscribe.
Like the video, comment, share, and subscribe. Love you. How many o'clock? 11 o'clock. We have a problem. When I do nothing.